Welcome to An Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a unique and crispy Danish pastry. It's crunchy, golden, and made with simple ingredients you already have at home. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well. Add 1/3 cup water. Knead until you get a smooth and soft dough. Rub a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest while we prepare the layering mixture. Take a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix until smooth. Corn flour helps create delicate layers between the dough. Now divide the dough into 5 equal portions. Roll each portion into a thin flat circle. Roll every dough sheet as thin as possible for better layers. Spread a thin layer of the cornflour slurry over one sheet. Spread only a thin layer of the cornflour slurry between each sheet. Place another rolled dough on top. Repeat the same process with the remaining sheets, spreading the slurry between every layer. Once all the layers are stuck, gently roll them together to make an even sheet. Now cut the dough as shown. Roll each piece lightly to create beautiful flaky layers. Heat oil over medium heat. Fry the pastries in batches. Fry on medium heat so the inside cooked while the outside turns crisp. Cook until they become golden brown, crispy and beautifully puffed. Fresh homemade pastries are wonderfully crisp right after frying. Remove them and let the excess oil drain. In a pan, combine half cup sugar, half cup water. Bring it to a boil. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn off the heat and keep it aside. Pour the syrup over them or dip each pastry into the sugar syrup. Your homemade crispy Danish pastry is ready. Light, flaky, crispy and coated with a delicate layer of sweet syrup. It's a wonderful treat for tea time or special occasion. Serve it fresh and enjoy every crunchy layer with your loved ones.